Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Chrysler Town and Country garage door opener. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage. You'll need your original garage door opener remote. Locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on the overhead console or sun visor. We'll begin by clearing any existing programming from these buttons to ensure a fresh start. This process is straightforward and will have you set up in just a few minutes. Now, let's get to programming. To clear any previous settings, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Next, hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your original remotes button. The indicator light will flash slowly, then rapidly when programming is complete. If your garage door opener uses a rolling code system, there's one more crucial step. After the home link indicator light flashes rapidly, you'll need to activate the Learn function on your garage door opener motor. Climb a ladder to locate the Learn or Smart button, usually near the antenna wire. Press this button firmly, then quickly return to your vehicle and press the programmed home link button 3 times within 30 seconds. Once programmed, test your home link button to confirm it opens and closes your garage door reliably. If you have more than one garage door or wish to program additional home link buttons, simply repeat the entire process for each one. Remember, patience is key, and you'll have this working smoothly in no time. Also, if your car could use a refresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.